See, you're already making that face.
Hey guys, this is Fredy over Capistrano Mazda, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a couple different types of wiper blades. Please follow me. First, you want to start by inspecting the wiper blade just to make sure there is no tears on the rubber portion of it and the material is not dry out. After you inspect it, you lift the wiper arm like that and press that center button to remove the wiper blade and slide forward like that. To reinstall it and put the new one in there, you just light them up and slide it in just the way it is, and we're ready to go. This type, what you start by doing is lifting up the tap like this. You grab the wiper blade, slide it backwards, and then you take it off. To install it, you go the same way. Make sure the tap is up. Put the arm in there, slide it, clip it on, and you focus right here.